Okay, question number 1 from DSA, right? Space complexity of merge sort. Space complexity. What about the answer now? What about the answer now? The space complexity required by merge sort is order of n. Order of n. That means it requires some extra space. Or it requires some auxiliary space. Clear now? It requires some auxiliary space. Evolo space, sir. Evolo space. What about the size of the final array? Clear now? What about the size of the final array? That much size. That much size. If you are having an array, listen carefully. If you are having an array A of size 10 and B of size 20, what about the space requirement now? What about the space requirement now? Answer me. What about the space? This requires 10 elements. This contains 10 elements. This contains 20 elements. What about the space complexity required? No, it is nothing but 10 plus 20 because you are going to perform merge sort. So the space complexity is 30. 30. That is the size of the array. That is nothing but order of n. Order of n. Okay. Miss பண்ணிருந்தீங்கன்னா என்ன பண்ணிருப்பீங்கன்னா ஓவர்லுக்கிங்ல டக்குனு மெர்ஜ் சார்ட்டை பார்த்துட்டு மெர்ஜ் சார்ட்னாலே n into log n தான். எஸ், மெர்ஜ் சார்ட்னாலே n into log n தான். சில பேர் மிஸ் பண்ணிருப்பேன். எஸ், சில பேர் மிஸ் பண்ணிருப்பீங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ மிஸ் பண்றவங்களுக்காக நான் ஒரு விஷயம் சொல்றேன், நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுங்க. Those who are missing, read the questions carefully. Read the question carefully. Read the questions carefullyங்கிறதோட இன்னும் கரெக்டா ஒன்று சொல்லவா? Read the questions fully first. Read the questions fully. Right? So try to write the recurrence relation of merge sort in your note. நான் ஸ்கிரீன்ல எழுதுறேன், நீங்க நோட்ல எழுதுங்க. Just we compare that. கரெக்டா பண்றோமான்னு பார்க்கலாம். Recurrence relation of merge sort. Have you all got it correctly now? Yes, very good. Very good. Nice. Shall we proceed to the next one? So the correct answer for this is option C, order of n. Right? Next question from DSA. The asymptotic notation of n to the power 4 plus log n. n to the power 4 plus log n. நம்ம சொல்லியிருக்கோம் already. Asymptotic notation deals about the maximum time required by any problem. So you have order of n power 4 and order of log n. Order of log n. Who is bigger now? Who is bigger now? N power 4 or log n? N power 4 is bigger. N power 4 is bigger. So the answer is B. Answer is B. I believe everyone will may give it correctly now. Correcta? எல்லாருமே கரெக்டா முடிச்சிட்டீங்களா? Right? Right? There should not be any doubt. Right. Moving forward. Now the third question that deals about insertion sort. Just observe the question and understand it. Suppose we have following numbers to sort. 15, 5, 4, 18, 12, 19, 14, 10, 8, 20. Right? இந்த நம்பர் உங்க லிஸ்ட், இந்த லிஸ்ட் உங்க கையில கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. You are having a set of numbers to sort. Okay, which of the following list represents partially sorted list after 3 completed passes of insertion sort? That means you are given with the array. That array is sorted or unsorted. Answer me, my dear friends. உங்கள்ட்ட ஒரு array கொடுக்குறாங்க, sorted array or unsorted array they are giving in your hand? Unsorted array. They are giving an unsorted array in your hand. Very good, fantastic. Okay, and it contains some elements. It contains some n elements, and they are asking you to apply insertion sort over it. Right? Now, what is meant by insertion sort? Insertion sort is nothing but playing cards. சொல்லிருக்கோமா? Playing cards. That is nothing but insertion sort. Already we have discussed. Right? Right? ஒரு கார்டு பிளே பண்ணும் பொழுது என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? அப்போ உங்களுக்கு நேரா ஒரு 10 சீட்டு போட்டாங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கார்டை கையில் எடுப்பீங்க. அசியூம் அப்படியே நீங்க விளையாடுற மாதிரி அசியூம் பண்ணீங்க. அசியூம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கார்டை கையில் எடுப்பீங்க. செகண்ட் கார்டு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கார்டோட பெருசா இருந்தா ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைட்ல வைப்பீங்க. சின்னதா இருந்தா என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைட்ல வைப்பீங்க. சே சார்னோ சே சார்னோ யூ ஆர் ஹேவிங் எ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கார்டு. செகண்ட் கார்டு பெருசா இருந்துச்சுன்னா என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? ஆடிங் அட் த ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு. சின்னதா இருந்தா ஆடிங் அட் த லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு. அப்போ நான் சொல்லும் பொழுது செகண்ட் கார்டை கையில எடுக்கும் பொழுதே சார்ட் பண்ணிடுறேன். சே எஸ் சார்னோ சே எஸ் சார்னோ செகண்ட் கார்டை கையில எடுக்கும் போதே நான் என்ன பண்ணிடுறேன்? சார்ட் பண்ணிடுறேன். அப்போ அட் த எண்ட் ஆஃப் ஸ்டெப் 2 at the end of step 2 or at the end of second iteration எவ்வளவு கார்டு சார்ட் ஆயிருக்கும்? எவ்வளவு கார்டு சார்ட் ஆயிருக்கும் at the end of second iteration? 2. At the end of third iteration how many elements will be sorted? 3. At the end of third iteration 3 elements will be sorted. Fantastic answers. அப்ப டோட்டலா 10 cards இருக்குங்க. 3 cards என் கையில இருக்கு. என் கையில டோட்டலா 10 cards இருக்கு. 3 cards என் கையில இருக்கு. இந்த 3 cards are sorted or not? 3 cards are sorted or not? Sorted. 3 cards are sorted. Right? Remaining 7 cards are unsorted. அப்ப கண்ணுக்கு பட்டது சார்ட் ஆகுது, கண்ணுக்கு படாதது அன்சார்ட் ஆகுது. சே சார் கண்ணால பார்த்தது சார்ட் ஆகுது, கண்ணால பார்க்காதது அன்சார்ட்டடா இருக்கு. Now observe, they are telling that you are applying this algorithm for 3 iterations. Insertion sort algorithm for 3 iterations. So 3 iterations means how many cards will be sorted now? 3 cards will be sorted. 3 cards will be sorted. அப்ப first 3 cards sort ஆயிருக்குன்னா you are taking 15 5 4 in hand. 15 5 4 in hand. first 15 எடுக்கிறீங்க, அடுத்தது 5 வருது, 5 முன்னாடி போய்டும், அடுத்தது 4 வருது, 4 முன்னாடி போய்டும். So 4 5 15 will be in the starting level. 4 5 15 in the starting level. Right? Remaining பத்தி உங்களுக்கு கவலைப்படுவீங்களா? Whether you are going to worry about these persons? No. First 3 elements sorted, so the answer is C. Clear or not? Right? Have you all got the correct answer, my dear friend? Have you all got the correct answer? Yes? Everyone? Yaar mistake pannala? Fantastic. I'm really happy now. One more question. Say true or false. Insertion sort always swap required. I am saying that insertion sort always swap required. True or false? One more clue I will be giving. Just think about the time complexity of insertion sort. Very good, Tamarai ma'am. Time complexity of insertion sort. That is order of n square, order of n square. Say yes or no? For best case, order of n. For average case, order of n square. For worst case, order of n square. Can you all remember this? Now? What is order of n? Swap or no swap? Just tell me that. Order of n means swap or no swap? No swap. Why no swap? உங்க முன்னாடி 10 கார்டு போடுறாங்க, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கார்டு எடுக்கிறீங்க, செகண்ட் கார்டு எடுக்கிறீங்க, தேர்ட் கார்டு எடுக்கிறீங்க, 10வது கார்டு எல்லாமே சார்ட் ஆயிருக்கு. எல்லாமே ஆர்டரா வருது. எல்லாமே ஆர்டரா வருது 10 கார்டு. Whether you are going to swap now? எத்தனை கார்டு எடுத்தீங்க கையில? ஒரு கார்டு எடுத்தீங்க. மொத்தமா எத்தனை கார்டு எடுத்தீங்க? 10 கார்டு. 10 cards. It can be 100 cards. It can be n cards. No swap required. Order of n. Clear or not now? Order of n means no swap. Clear or not? Clear? Shall we move forward now? Shall we move forward? தெளிவா புரியுதா? ஓகே ஓகே, அதை சுத்தி என்ன இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கணும். அதுல என்ன இருக்குன்னு முதல்ல பார்க்கணும். ரைட், அதுல என்ன இருக்குன்னு முதல்ல பார்க்கணும். அப்புறம் அதை சுத்தி என்ன இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கணும். ரெண்டுத்தையும் பார்க்கணும். நோ, பியூட்டிஃபுல் கொஸ்டின், பியூட்டிஃபுல் கொஸ்டின். Given two sorted list of size m and n respectively, so they are giving two arrays. One array size is m, another array size is n. The number of comparisons needed in the worst case by merge sort. So this is sorted, this is sorted. So you are going to perform merging of two sorted array, then you are going to use merge sort. They are asking how many comparisons you will make. What is the answer for this? First tell me that answer. Question is clear, I believe. Question is clear, I believe. What is the answer for this? Everyone try to give the answer now. Yes, yes, very good, very good. Option D is the answer. Okay, okay, think about the scenario. Think about the scenario. You are having three elements over here, you are having three elements over here, and overall the final array size, what is the size of the array now? This array size is 3, this array size is 3. What about the final array size now? 6, right? 6. So for this position, this is already sorted, this is also already sorted. Okay, so what you will do now? What you will do now, for this position, these two persons will compete. Say, sir, these two persons will compete for the first position, right? Right, for suppose this person wins. Say for example, this is 1 2 4, this is 3 5 6, right? So one wins, one wins. Now what will happen? You will be moving to 2 now, but here you will be in 3, so 2 wins, 2 wins. Now here you will going to 4, here you will be in 3, 4 3, 4 3, you will be getting 3, and then 4 5, 4 5 you will get 4, 5 6 you will be getting. So for comparison means, for the first 5 positions you are comparing, sixth position automatically filled, sixth position automatically filled. Comparison means எத்தனை பேரை கம்பேர் பண்ணுவீங்க? ஒரு கிளாஸ்ல 50 பேர் இருக்காங்கன்னா 50 பேர், இந்த 50 பேர் யாரோட தான் கம்பேர் பண்ணுவீங்க? 49 பேரை தான் கம்பேர் பண்ணுவீங்க. Whether it is possible to compare 50% with 50%? It is not practically possible. So how many persons are there? 3 plus 3 persons minus 1. Compare 1% less. So that means 6 minus 1. The final answer is 5, but the equation they are forming is m plus n minus 1. M plus n minus 1. Clear or not now? Small mistake. Some people will do small mistake. Okay, at times it will be very costly. Right? Right? Mistake is small, but the value that you are going to pay will be costly. So do as much as possible mistake here itself. Right? Do as much as possible mistake here itself. Shall we proceed forward now? Shall we proceed forward? Hashing question. Everyone will get the correct answer for this. No doubt about it. Right? No doubt about it. What is the answer for this question now? Yes? Okay, some people are giving D. Let us discuss about it. No problem. Right? So actual answer is B. Actual answer is B. என்ன சொல்றாங்க பாருங்க, consider a hash table of size 7. Whenever you are getting the idea about hash table, whenever you are getting an idea about hash table, it index 99% start with 0 until and unless அவன் சொல்லாத வரைக்கும். Right? So hash table of size 7 அப்படின்னு சொன்னா you are going to have 0 to 6, because hash is nothing but array implementation only, right? Array implementation. So it starts with 0, no doubt about it. Right? So they are giving the hash function h of x is equal to 3x plus 4 mod 7. Mod 7. Okay, mod 7. Right? So the elements are, assuming the hash table is initially empty, which are the following contents of the table when the sequence inserted to 1 3 8 10 into the table using closed hashing. Closed hashing means, what is the other name of closed hashing? It starts with the letter L, my dear friend. It's started with the closed hashing. Yes. What is mean by closed hashing? It starts with the letter L. It starts with the letter L. It is called linear probing. Very good, very good. Linear probing is nothing but closed hashing. Because you are having a boundary. Say yes or no, you are having a boundary now to play 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You are having a boundary to play. இதுக்குள்ள தான் நீங்க play ஆகணும் அப்படின்னா you are going to apply linear probing. Any doubt in that? Very, very basic concept, right? Very, very basic concept. So now you are going to apply only for 4%. So easy question now. So h of 1 is equal to 3 into 1 plus 4 mod 7. That is nothing but 7 mod 7, which is equal to 0, 0. So 1 will go into 0. Okay. So B can be the answer, C can be the answer, D can be the answer, 8 cannot be the answer. Apply step by step, eliminate, filter it. Don't wait, right? So next 3 is coming. 3 into 3 plus 4 mod 7, which is equal to 9 plus 4, 13. 13 mod 7 is equal to 6, if I'm not wrong. So for 6, you are going to give the value as 3. So finally 3 is there. Here also 3, here also 3, here also 3. No elimination possible. Say yes or no. B, C, D, எல்லாருமே கேம்ல இருக்கான். எல்லாருமே கேம்ல இருக்கான். No elimination possible. Now h of 8 is equal to 3 into 8 plus 4 mod 7. So 24 plus 4, 28. If I'm not wrong, 28 mod 7 is equal to 7 4s are 28. Remainder is 0. So எங்க போய் கதவை தட்டுவீங்க? 1 தட்டுவீங்க, 0 தட்டுவீங்க. 0 is already filled. So you are going to place 8 over here. You are going to place 8 over here. So second position 8. You are finalizing that. Second position is 8. Here 8. Here no 8. Here no 8. So the option is B. Don't check for 10. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Just observe. Just observe. Eliminate at each step. Have you all followed this idea? Have you all followed this idea? That's all. That's all. Game is over, my dear friend. Game is over. Fantastic. Fantastic. Right? Right? Shall we proceed to the next one? I believe everyone got the correct answer for this. Because DSA, lot of revisions we have made. Okay, with respect to revision test also, lot of things we have made. And I believe that you are comfortable right now. Okay, very much comfortable. Right? Let us proceed. One more thing. A basic formula we have discussed already. Very, very simple formula. Very, very simple formula. Right? When they are asking about distinct binary search trees can be formed, the formula is 2 power n minus n. Whether it is 2 power n minus n. So what is the thing now? 2 power n minus n. That is nothing but 2 to the power 4 minus 2. That is 16 minus 2. That is nothing but 14. Fantastic. Fantastic answer. 14. Very, very simple formula. Repeatedly they are asking in many situations. Right? Distinct binary search trees. Right? Right? There is one confusion some person will have right now. Okay. There is a difference between binary search tree and binary tree. Do you all accept or not? First tell me that. You all accept it or not? First, there is a lot of difference between binary tree and binary search tree. Right? 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 A binary tree can be a binary search tree, but this reverse is not true. Not true. Say yes or no? The reverse is not true. Right? Listen carefully now. Listen carefully. Whenever we are discussing about the properties, almost we have discussed about 20 properties. 20 properties. In that, for binary tree only, I gave the formula 2 power n minus n. For binary search tree, the formula is 2n cn divided by n plus 1. Say yes, sir. 2n cn divided by n plus 1. Say yes, sir. So here they are asking binary search tree. Here they are asking binary search tree. So the formula is 2n cn divided by n plus 1. So here they are giving the n value as 4. So 2 into 4 c4 divided by 4 plus 1, that is nothing but 5. 4 plus 1, that is nothing but 5. So that means what will happen now? 8c4 divided by 5. So what is 8c4? 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 divided by 5. Just to cancel it, my dear friends. Just to cancel it. So 8 2 times, 3 2 times, 2 you can cancel. Now what you will get is 2 into 7 into 5 divided by 5. This 5 will go up divided by 5. So 7 2s are 14. This is the answer and this is the actual approach. This is the actual approach. Okay. Okay. So God gave mark for those people who give the formula as 2 power n minus n. 2 power n minus n formula போட்டு உங்களுக்கு மார்க் வந்துச்சுன்னா அது கடவுள் கொடுத்த மார்க். நீங்க எடுத்த மார்க்னு அக்செப்ட் பண்ண மாட்டேன். Right? Right? You have to apply this because when you are going exponentially higher level, இந்த லெவல்ல இந்த ஃபார்முலா அப்ளிகபிள் ஆயிட்டு ரெண்டு பேருக்கு ஒரே ஆன்சர் வந்துருச்சு. அப்படிங்கறனால எல்லா சிச்சுவேஷன்லயும் வரணுங்கிற அவசியம் கிடையாது. கிளியர்னா? எல்லா சிச்சுவேஷன்லயும் வரணுங்கிற அவசியம் கிடையாது. இன்னைக்கு உங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு. அதனால இது ரெண்டையும் இன்டர்சேஞ்சபிளா யூஸ் பண்ணாதீங்க. This is a different one. This is a different one. I believe you are accepting it right now. Okay? For those people who made this small careless mistake, please be ready. There is a lot of difference between binary tree and binary search tree. Clear now? Clear now? Both the formulas are clear now. When to apply what? Please be clear about it. Please be clear about it. Right? Shall I take you forward now? Shall I take you forward? Right? Next one. Next one. Very, very interesting question. பார்க்க தான் சின்னது. உள்ளுக்குள்ள நிறைய விஷயங்கள் இருக்கு. Okay? Which of the following algorithms takes non-linear time for sorting? Then you have to apply with respect to worst case only. Whenever they are asking only one complexity, you have to go to the worst case. For counting sort, it is an order of n. For radic sort, it is again order of n. For quick sort, when the pivot is the leftmost element or the rightmost element, you are going to have a skew-like structure where you are going to get order of n or order of n square. Order of n square. This is linear. This is linear. This is linear. Whenever you got a square, then you call it as a poly. Say yes or no? Poly. So non-linear is poly. So answer is B. வேற ஏதாச்சும் போட்டிருந்தா காலி. ரைட்? ரைட்? ஜஸ்ட் அப்சர்வ். ஒரு லைன் கொஸ்டின் உள்ளுக்குள்ள எவ்வளவு விஷயங்கள் வச்சிருக்காங்க பாருங்க. வெரி நைஸ் கொஸ்டின். Whether everyone got it correctly now? Whether everyone got it correctly? That table what we have discussed in the class will play a very important role over here. Right? அதெல்லாம் அப்படியே உங்களுக்கு இப்ப ரத்தத்திலே இருக்கணும். சரியா? இருக்கா? Okay, next one. Longest common subsequence. Last time question என்ன கேட்டிருந்தேன்னா longest sequence யாருன்னு கேட்டிருந்தேன். இந்த தடவை கொஸ்டின் எப்படி மாத்தியாச்சுன்னா எது லாங்கஸ்ட் ஸ்ட்ரிங்னு மாத்தியாச்சு. somewhat easy question comparatively. Right? What is the answer now? For this? Okay, so C is the answer. 4 is the answer. Okay, very, very simple one. Very simple one. Let us take ABC, first string over here, ABC, BD, AB, here BDC, ABA. Now what will happen now? Just add trailing zeros over here for performing calculations. Initially zero match. அதனால trailing zeros add பண்ணிக்கலாம். Right? சமையல் மாதிரி தான். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எடுத்தோன்னா அடுப்பை பற்ற வச்சு கொஞ்சோண்டு ஆயில் ஊத்திக்கலாங்கிற மாதிரி just add some trailing zeros over here. Then we will easily solve. Okay? Now what will happen? Just observe the match. That's all. BA no match 0, BB match so 1, BC maximum of these two things 1. Correct? 1 0 maximum 1. BB again match 1. BD maximum of this 1. BA no match but maximum of this 1. BB match so 1. Have you all got the first row correctly? எல்லாருக்கும் இதான வந்துச்சு? Okay, so next DA. No match 0. DB 0 1 1. DD DC 1 1 1. This also 1. Here match occurs, so 1 plus 1 2. 1 plus 1 2. So DA maximum of 2. DB maximum of 2. Clear now for everyone? Right? Yes or no, ma'am? Are you okay now? ஓகே நவ் நான் இப்போ ஃபாஸ்டா போயிடுறேன் இதுக்கப்புறம் சரியா அப்புறமா சரசரன்னு போலாம் CA0 CB1 CC2 CB2 CD2 CA2 CB2 அடுத்தது AA1 AB1 AC2 because maximum of this 2 AB2 AD2 AA3 because addition of 1 is 3 A3 maximum is AB maximum is 3. Now you are going to get BA 0 1 maximum is 1, BB addition so 2, BC 2, BB again 3, BD 3, BA 3 here 4. Then AA 1, AB 2, AC 2, AB 3, maximum of this 3, AD 3, AA 4. This is the maximum of thing 4. So inge enna varudho adha answer. Inge enna varudho adha answer. So answer is 4. Answer is 4. Okay, so how many array boxes you are creating? Array boxes you are creating. Let us say this is M and this is N. How many boxes you are creating? Can you tell me now? Order of this is M and this is N. So how many boxes or memory storage you are doing? Very good, ma'am. Very good. Order of M into N. This is the time complexity, na? This is the time complexity. Clear or not? No. Clear or not? Clear or not? Right? Right? Easy one, right? Easy one, right? Space also. What about the space complexity? If they are asking the space complexity also, you are storing all the elements. How many elements you are storing? You are storing order of M into elements. M into N elements. So space complexity also similar. Done? Done? Because you are storing all the elements, calculation purpose. Done or not? Just to confirm. Right. Moving forward. Very, very, very nice question. Very, very, very nice question. What is the answer for this question? Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, I will explain now, no problem. But most of the students have given the correct answer. I really appreciate your efforts, my dear friends. I'm really happy now. Okay, உங்களோட பொட்டன்ஷியலை சோதிக்கிறதுக்கான ஒரு சில கொஸ்டின்ல இந்த கொஸ்டினும் ஒன்று. Right? Consider a complete binary tree with 7 nodes. So just to draw a complete binary tree with 7 nodes. You all will have a complete binary tree like this. Say yes or no? Say yes or no? Yes. Yes. So let us name it. Let us name it. Let us name it. So for comfortableness, let us name it. Let us name it as A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yes. Yes. If you are performing, let A denote the set of first 3 elements obtained by breadth first search. Breadth first search means level order traversal. Level order traversal. So breadth first search, I call it as A. I call it as A. Who are all the elements will present? Let us say this capital A. Right. This A. I am talking about this A. Right now. I am talking about this A. Okay. According to this A, what are all the elements you will be traversing? A, you will be traversing. B, C, you will be traversing. A, B, C now. A, B, C now. Suppose if you are performing depth first search, it is not a level order traversal. It is not a level order traversal, right? You are going to depth now. You are going to depth now. So who are all the elements will be traversed right now? Who are all the elements will be traversed right now? According to that, B equal to A, B, and D. A, B, and D. Right? Right? Update from depth of search. Now you are going to subtract these two things. Subtract these two things means set difference operator na. Set difference operator. A cancel, B cancel, CD. A differ by one element. A differ by one element. What is that element? If they are asking, C is the element. So one element is the answer. The answer is 1. Very, very nice question. Very, very nice question. Clear no? எல்லாரும் இப்படி தான் போட்டீங்களா? எல்லாரும் இப்படி தான் போட்டீங்களா? Very good, ma'am. Very good. Very good. Fantastic. Right? Don't think that you are missing, ma'am. You are learning. If you are able to understand 50% without knowledge, how you are able to understand 50%? Just tell me. Previously, you will be skipping this question. BFS, DFS, just skip. Go to the next one. But now you are trying to understand it now. That is the level of understanding you are getting. I'm really happy about it also. Right. Moving forward, shall I take you to the next one now? Any doubt for anyone with respect to this question? Right. Shall I take you to the next one? Yes. Listen, the last one. Very simple. Very simple. பந்தியில சாப்பாடு போட்டு கடைசியா பாயாசம் கொடுக்குற மாதிரி ஒரு கொஸ்டின் வச்சோம். Right? Floyd Warshall algorithm. Floyd Warshall algorithm. What is the answer now? Dynamic programming. Very simple question. Right?